Ahead of the proposed passage of the Electoral Amendment Bill this week, the Alliance for Civil Society Organizations for Expansion of Electoral and Democratic Space is accusing the National Assembly of deliberately sowing violence and insecurity. This follows claims that the Senate has inserted a clause in the Electoral Act Amendment Bill which bars INEC from transmitting results electronically.
That it's a matter of stabilizing the Nigerian state. In fact, the President of Nigeria, who has spoken strongly against secession and all forms of destabilizing the country, should hold National Assembly leadership responsible if this fraudulent provision that denies INEC the power to make rules to include transfer of electoral result electronically, if it is returned, that means there's an elite conspiracy to ensure that Nigeria fails as a country. Bear this in mind. This law is very dangerous and almost stupid. If a provision allows INEC to do everything discretionary, but says one thing INEC cannot do is to transmit results electronically, it means that someone somewhere has planned to rig the 2023 election.
The group says the purported section of the bill is an infringement of the fundamental rights of the people.
My fellow young leader here has talked about the increase in campaign funding from 1 billion for president to from 5 billion for president to 15 billion. Basically saying that there is the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria under this bill will be a corrupt president. We can say that for sure. Will be a corrupt president. Because even if you don't have 15 billion naira that you've stolen to wage a campaign in this country, and you bring people together to raise 15 billion naira for you to run a presidential campaign, right? You can be sure that those people will be on your neck to steal public funds. Young people require a level playing ground, a free playing ground, a fair playing ground to be able to run for elective office at the House of Representatives, at the state assemblies, at the councillorship level.
The coalition has threatened to legally do all things possible, including challenging the bill in courts and occupying the National Assembly to ensure the adulterated bill does not become law. Ferdinand Duruoha, Arise News.